Aku lupa.
Jojo, do you want to be first?
What? Apa, Mas?
Kamu mau jadi yang pertama?
My daily activity is riding a bike. Sometimes I ride a bike.
No. I mean, you tell to us what you do when you wake up in early morning till you sleep.
Aku kumur-kumur. Apa kumur-kumur? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya, Nis? Kumur-kumur air.
Brush your teeth. You mean brush your teeth?
No, kumur-kumur. Kayak kita minum terus kuluk-kuluk terus kita.
I don't know. I forget it.
Okay, and then I brush my teeth. And I eat, and that's all. That's all. And after I take a shower.
Right.
I take a shower.
After that, what you do?
After that, afternoon. Afternoon itu malam ya, Miss?
Yeah. No. Evening. Malam evening. Yes. What do you do in the evening?
I don't know. Kalau ada PR ya kerjain PR. Tapi kalau nggak ada PR ya nonton TV kadang-kadang. Watching TV.
English?
Sometimes I do my homework if there was a homework, and sometimes I watch TV if there was no homework.
So you watch the TV?
What?
With who?
I watch TV alone.
Alone? Not your mother, no your grandma?
No. They are busy.
Right.
Busy working.
Then after you watch television, what do you do again?
I don't know, play games. Play games or riding a bike.
Alright, before you sleep, what do you do?
Before I sleep, I eat and then I change clothes and then I sleep.
Good job, Jojo. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Next, who's the next?
I pick Nathanael. If you don't want, it's fine. Miss Nanda choose.
Yeah, okay. Who the next? Come on, guys. Who the next?
I don't know.
Natasha. Hey, Natasha, come on. Just try, Natasha. If you forget about the word, I will help you. And your friends can help you, okay? Yeah, Natasha. Tell to us about your activity.
From Monday to Saturday, I wake up at 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. I prepare myself for online school. Before going to class, I have breakfast. I do online learning during 5 hours. After studying, I had lunch and then I sleep. In the afternoon, I took a shower. After taking a shower, I played my handphone. In the evening, I have dinner. At night, at 11 or 12 o'clock, I go to sleep.
Okay, Natasha, good. Natasha, I want to ask you. Miss Nanda mau nanya sama kamu, ya. What time do handphone is Indo, English is phone? What is the meaning?
Nggak ada apa-apa meaningnya.
Right. Okay, Natasha. So, do you ever get up early morning?
What?
Apa kamu selalu, do you ever get up early morning? Sorry kok early morning. Do you get up ever late? Apa kamu pernah bangun telat? Bangun telat. Jadi kamu telat bangun nih, tiba-tiba kaget. Aduh, aku telat bangun gitu. Pernah nggak?
Pernah.
Pernah. Oke. In English, kalau kamu bisa bahasa Inggris, dicoba ya.
Iya, Miss.
Jawab. Oke. Then, apa lagi Miss Anda mau nanya? Oke. What time do you take a nap? Take a nap. Jam berapa kamu tidur siang biasanya? Take a nap. Kalau dapat kosakata baru, kalian boleh tulis. Take a nap.
Jam 1.
At 1 p.m. Coba, at 1 p.m.
At 1 p.m.
Good job. Next. Lanjut ya, misalnya mau nanya lagi. What time do you usually get up in the morning? What time do you usually get up in the morning? Jam berapa kamu biasanya bangun pagi-pagi?
6 or 7.
6 or 7 o'clock.
Same. Me
Right?
too. Me too.
Okay, good job.
Yeah.
Do you study in the night? Do you study in the night?
Miss, AM itu malam ya, PM itu pagi bukan?
No study in the night. All right. So when you study,
Oh my God,
self-study.
rupanya your connection is
Jojo,
unstable.
wait, Jo.
What?
Jojo,
Connection is unstable.
Miss Nana lagi nanya Natasha, Jo.
Okay, so
I mean Natasha, self-study. When you do self-study, kapan kamu belajar sendiri? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening,
In the afternoon.
or night?
The afternoon.
Afternoon, okay. Okay, do you always clean up your room?
What?
Clean up. Apa kamu selalu membersihkan ruangan kamar kamu?
No.
Yes or no? No. Okay. Your mom clean up your room, right? Oh no. You clean self? No. So who's the clean up your room? Siapa yang membersihkan ruangan kamu biasanya? Kamar kamu maksudnya?
Nothing. Nggak ada.
Nothing? Nothing?
Ya.
Not you and not your mom? Okay, good job, Natasha. Thank you so much, Natasha. Next, who the next? Thank you, Natasha. Good job. Sudah berani ya. Yang lain ayo, siapa lagi? Miftah, Ima, Nathanael. Jangan kalah nih sama Natasha sama Jojo. Yuk, Jojo sama Natasha sudah. Who's the next? Come on, guys. Miftah, oke, Miftah. Ya, Miftah. Sorry, jaringannya agak kurang bagus nih, sorry ya.
Oke.
Halo, can you hear my voice?
Belum,
My
Miss.
voice clear?
Saya mulai ya, Miss.
Okay. Start. Come on.
My activity every day when online school. Every day, I always wake up in the morning and don't forget to clean the bed. I always help Mom, who is in the kitchen, to prepare breakfast, clean the house, and hurry to take a shower. After that, I have breakfast and prepare everything for online school. School starts at 8 a.m. and ends around 12 noon at every 12. till noon. At evening, I will do some assignment from school, after which my family and I will watch TV. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miftah. I just a little mistake. I just want correct a little mistakes with you. Yeah. First, 12. 12.
12.
Yes, 12. Then excitement. Excitement. When you want to say excitement. Yeah, excitement. Okay, good job, Miftah. So I want to ask you, like Natasha, ask to Natasha. Yeah. First, I want to ask you, do you usually get up in the morning?
Yes.
Apa kamu biasanya bangun pagi, early morning? I mean,
Yes.
do you usually get up early morning? Kamu
Yes.
biasanya bangun pagi-pagi banget gitu?
Sekitar jam 5 sampai jam 6 mungkin.
Okay. Then when you wake up, you do to dawn prayer, right? Waktu kamu bangun, kamu mau sholat subuh ya?
Iya.
Ya, dawn prayer ya, sholat subuh dawn prayer.
I'm dawn prayer.
Ya, I do dawn prayer. Saya melakukan sholat subuh bisa. Next, I want to ask you, do you take a nap in the afternoon? Take a nap. Take a nap itu tidur siang. Kalian boleh catat kosakata baru ya kalau ada. Take a nap.
Kadang-kadang.
Sometimes ya,
Ya,
sometimes.
sometimes.
Take a nap.
Sometimes.
Take a nap tidur siang. Ya, kalian boleh tulis kalau ada yang baru. What time do you usually have breakfast? What time do you usually have breakfast? Jam berapa biasanya makan pagi, sarapan pagi?
7 a.m. 7 a.m.
7 a.m. All right. 7 a.m. before you going to school, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you always study in the night or no? Do you always study in the night or no?
No. Sometimes.
No. Oh, sometimes. All right. So when you do self-study, when you do self-study, kapan kamu belajar sendiri self-study?
Every night. Malam.
Every night. Berarti tadi kan Miss Nanda tanya, apa kamu selalu belajar di malam hari? Berarti itu setiap malam ya. Bisa kamu jawab, yes I do. Yes I do. Ya. Self-study. Nah ini istilah ini boleh kalian pakai. Self-study. Self-study. Self-study itu kayak belajar mandiri atau belajar sendiri tanpa ada guru. Tanpa ada pengajar ya. So, do you always clean up your room? Apa kamu selalu membersihkan kamar kamu?
Yes. I'm clean room.
Okay, good job. Do you ever get up late? Do you ever get up late? And you be shocked? I'm so late. Like that. Do you ever? Kamu pernah bangun terlambat terus kamu tiba-tiba shock, aduh aku telat.
Pernah.
Pernah ya? Okay. Ever. I ever wake up late. I ever get up late. Bisa ya pakai kata itu. The last. I want to ask you. How many times do you study in a day? Berapa banyak waktu biasanya kamu atau berapa jam kamu biasanya belajar dalam sehari? Around bla 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 bla.
Tergantung sama.
In English? Around itu sekitar. Contohnya nih, Miss Nanda jawab contohnya. Around 8 hour. Around 8 hours gitu kan, sekitar 8 jam. Atau around 1 hour.
I run 6 hours.
6 hours. Okay, good job. Thank you so much, Miftah. Next, Nathan. Nathanael, come on. Where is Nathan? Why you just smile, Nathan? Why you just smile? Gak apa-apa, Nathan mau bacain juga boleh. Kan lagi pada belajar semuanya. Kalian tidak harus langsung menjadi hebat. Ya. Hanya bercerita. Ya. Kamu cukup cerita, pagi hari saya bangun jam segini.
Bahasa Indonesia kan, Miss?
Bahasa Inggris.
Wah. Hai.
Just try. Miss Nanda kasih waktu Nathan ya, buat tulis dulu, coret-coret dulu, lihat contoh di materi ya.
Oh,
Oke?
ya Miss.
Ya, Miss Nanda kasih waktu Nathan sekitar 10 menit. Ya,
Miss, di materinya di mana, Miss? Materi.
di grup ada Miss Nanda kirim materi.
Oke, Miss.
Ya, yang tadi Miss Nanda share itu tuh materinya. Coba ya. Oke, lanjut Ima dulu. Abis Ima, nanti kita mau masing-masing saling bertanya. Contohnya, Jojo bertanya ke Natasha, atau Natasha nanya ke Miftah. Jadi sekarang kalian siapkan pertanyaan kalian. Clue-nya adalah bertanya tentang kegiatan-kegiatan sehari-hari mereka. Halo? Ya? Contoh, Natasha mau nanya ke Jojo, contohnya. Natasha mau nanya dalam bahasa Indonesianya, contohnya gini. Jojo, kalau siang hari kamu main atau enggak? Boleh. Atau Jojo, kamu tidur siang enggak? Kamu pagi hari bangunnya jam berapa? Gitu ya. Jadi sekarang siapkan pertanyaan kalian. Ya?
Miss,
Apa, Jo?
pakai Indonesia atau Inggris?
English.
English.
English. Ya. After Ima. Kita dengarkan Ima dulu. Setelah Ima selesai, Miss Nanda kasih waktu kalian 5 menit buat membuat pertanyaan. Oke? Okay? Come on, Ima.
So we pick.
Tell to us about your daily activity.
Every day, I usually wake up in the morning. I need to prepare for school. There are some activities that I need to do before online class. First of all, I made my bed. After that, I got ready to take a shower. Finally, I had breakfast. At night, I play online games to entertain myself. After that, I go to sleep. Udah habis.
You do online games in the night?
Iya. Right, Miss, right?
Wow, every night you do two online games, yeah? What games? What games did you do?
ML.
Mobile Legend?
Miss.
Apa lagi? What's the name? PUBG.
No. No.
So what? What game? Hago. I don't know about game, yeah. I don't know about game because I just know Hago and the others I don't know. Yeah. And when you do self-study, Ima? Hello?
Kalau akhir-akhir ini nggak pernah belajar lagi, Miss.
Never self-study. Why? Are you busy?
Miss, can I ask? Oh,
What?
Bahasa Inggrisnya kayak pelajaran apa ya?
Lessons.
Lessons, okay. Thank you. If I
Welcome.
continue.
Oke, Ima. Tadi Miss Nanda tanya apa tadi? Aduh, lupa kan. Tadi Miss Nanda tanya apa? Coba diulangin.
Kapan belajar sendiri?
Okay, when do you do self study? Never ya, never. Why? Do you very busy? Do you have many activity?
Apa ya? Nggak tahu, Miss. Kayak nggak mau aja.
Oh, maybe you feel so bored, ya? Everything was boring. Gabut.
Yes,
Okay.
everything was boring.
Okay, I want to ask you. Yes, yeah. Okay, I want to ask you. How many times do you take a bath in a day? Kamu kalau mandi berapa jam?
Oh,
Berapa jam? Berapa kali sehari? How many times do you take bath in a day? Berapa kali sehari kamu mandi?
tuh aja, Miss.
2 kali. 2 kali ya, normal ya, normal. Do you know when I live in Kalimantan, in Malinau? I think Natasha and Nathanael know about Malinau ya. I get a shower around 4 times a day. 4 times a day. Because the weather is so hot. Karena waktu Miss Nanda ke Kalimantan, Miss Nanda itu mandi sampai 4 kali sehari. Karena di sana tuh panas banget. Nama tempatnya tuh di Malinau.
Nggak
Iya.
tahu Malinau.
Aduh.
Nggak tahu Malinau.
Kalimantan ini utara. Ya. Okay guys, so I will give you take a minute and prepare your question for your friends. Miss Nanda kasih waktu kalian beberapa menit, siapkan pertanyaan kalian untuk teman-teman kalian. Ya, 5 menit deh, 5 menit.
Aku udah tulis semuanya, Miss.
Ya.
Aku udah tulis.
Dan Miss tanya ke siapapun.
Berapa pertanyaan?
Semua pertanyaan ini aku bakal tanya sih.
Apa pertanyaan? Bentar Jojo, bentar. Pertanyaan minimal 5. Paling sedikit 5, lebih boleh. Ya, jadi paling sedikit 5. Silakan.
Harus bahasa Inggris kah, Miss?
Of course. Of course. Ya, kalian boleh lihat di kamus. Silakan. Miss Nanda kasih waktu kok 5 menit, ya.
Miss,
Mm-mm.
5 pertanyaannya cuma untuk 1 orang.
Terserah, kamu mau bertanya kepada berapa orang, 2 orang, 1 orang, terserah, bebas. Minimal kamu punya 5 pertanyaan, ya. Dan kalian boleh kayak pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang lucu juga boleh. Kayak contohnya, pertanyaan lucu. Ya, kayak mandi tadi kan, berapa kali kamu mandi sehari? Gitu. Hal-hal yang, ya pertanyaan-pertanyaan humor boleh. Nathanael masih punya hutang ya sama Miss Nanda? Ya, okay. Nathanael, are you ready to tell about your daily activity? Sambil yang teman-teman lain menyiapkan pertanyaan, Nathanael coba cerita dulu tentang aktivitas kamu. Ayo. Itu Nathanael di mute tuh. Buka dulu mute-nya.
Miss.
Belum siap?
Iya, Miss.
Oke, Miss kita tunggu.
Miss, tahu nggak Miss kalau pakai example 1 tuh Miss? Yang Miss kirim.
Tapi kan itu orang lain, bukan kamu. Tapi kan
Oh.
kosa yang di sana, kalimat-kalimat di sana kan ada tuh contoh-contohnya. kamu boleh pakai. Kamu boleh pakai. Ya, kamu boleh pakai contoh kalimatnya kan ada di situ. Kamu boleh pakai. Ya. Nggak usah panjang-panjang, pendek aja nggak apa-apa. Makanya Nathan, kalau ada di
Miss, aku kan tuliskan pertanyaannya. Itu kita kasih pertanyaan cuma satu orang. Satu orang doang. Oh. Setiap Nathanael menjawab pertanyaan saya. 6 pertanyaan. 6 pertanyaan.
Bah.
Ayo, Jojo, kamu ini fokus dulu. Nah, coba Nathanael. Nanti kasih contoh ya sama Nathan ya.
Ya, Miss. Contoh, Miss.
Contoh, Miss Nanda cerita sama kamu. Nathanael, every day I wake up early morning around 6 a.m. Then I made my bed. After that, I took a shower and had breakfast. And at 8 o'clock, I start teaching online. Sometimes at 1 p.m., I took a break if there was no class. I teach online until 7 p.m. Then I study English until 9 p.m. After that, I got ready for bed, but before going to sleep, I prayed that God will protect my family and my loved ones. That is my story. Nah, coba. Pendek kan tuh, pendek banget tuh Miss Nanda cerita. Setiap hari Miss Nanda bangun pagi-pagi nih.
Bisa ditulis, Miss.
Kenapa?
Bisa ditulis, Miss. Dulu,
Bisa.
tulis dulu.
Silakan, tadi udah Miss Nanda bilang kan, silakan tulis dulu. Ayo. Sambil teman-teman kamu lagi buat pertanyaan. Nih, contohnya saya bangun pagi hari jam 6. Kemudian saya rapikan tempat tidur, saya mandi, dan saya sarapan. Setelah itu saya belajar online. Nah, apalagi kegiatan kamu? Setelah belajar online, saya bantu orang tua. Malam hari saya belajar sendiri, self-study. Selama 1 jam. Setelah itu saya tidur. Tapi sebelum tidur saya berdoa dulu. Udah selesai. Coba pelan-pelan. Ayo.
Sebentar, Miss.
Kalian nggak usah pusing dengan grammar kalian dulu deh. Yang penting kalian ngomong lah. Ya. Yang membuat pertanyaan sudah? Masih buat? Yang buat pertanyaan, Miss Nanda kasih waktu sampai 15.55.
Aku udah, Miss. Aku udah.
Oke, Jo. Nih, Nathanael boleh dibantu sama Jojo. Miss kasih kalian ruangan 1. Jojo boleh bantu Nathanael. Gimana? Mau?
Maksudnya kayak gimana, Miss?
Miss Nanda pisah ruangan kalian. Cuman berdua. Jadi Jojo bantu Nathanael buat kalimatnya. Nathanael boleh tanya Jojo. Sambil yang lain ini ngerjain pertanyaan.
Jadi aku kasih tahu maksudnya kayak gimana.
Gini, Nathanael nanti sebutin bahasa Indonesianya. Jojo bantu bahasa Inggrisnya.
Oke.
Nah, setelah 5 menit, Miss Nanda keluarin kalian. Kalian harus leave apa namanya? Leave breakout. Leave breakout. Karena Miss Nanda bikin kalian di ruangan 1 lagi, ruangan 2. Langsung klik join ya. Oke, Nathanael. Wait. Wait, lagi error nih. Wait ya, Nathanael. Klik join. Nanti kalau Miss Nanda kirim pesan kalian harus balik lagi ke ruangan. Bentar dulu. Ini kok nggak mau sih? Wait ya, wait.
Ya, kita tunggu komnya sampai.
Aduh. Ruang 1, ruang 2. Oh, kalian di ruang 2. Kalian di ruang 2 ya, Miss Nanda taruh. Oh, ini kenapa sih kok nggak mau? Lemot banget.
Jadi pas Miss sudah disuruh keluar, terus kita keluar, terus kita semua itu ya Miss, apa tuh namanya?
Gabung di sini lagi. Kliknya leave breakout, jangan leave meeting ya. Aduh, ini kok lemot banget ya. Tuhan. Oke, silakan kalian klik join. Jojo sama Nathanael. Ya, Nathanael klik join. Ya. Guys, Miss Nanda masuk ke ruangannya Nathanael dulu ya. Kasih penjelasan. Kalian tetap belajar di sini karena Miss masih awasin. Hello guys, I come back.
We come back. Yes, we are back.
Yes, we are come back. Game online itu online, game online.
Online game.
Ya, tetap game online. Ima, where is Ima? Oh, Ima lost.
Oh, tiba-tiba sedikit. Bukan tadi banyak ya?
Ima, where is Ima?
Gak tahu. Keluar.
She left.
Oh, okay. Maybe she has trouble with connection, ya. Wait, I will chat her. At Ima. Ima. Oke, sudah selesai tugas kalian semua? Sudah selesai semua tugasnya?
Tugas bukan pertanyaan.
Iya, pertanyaan maksudnya udah? Sudah siap?
Ya.
Oke, sekarang siapa yang mau pertama bertanya kepada siapa dan siapa? Silakan.
Aku kedua aja. Aku kedua.
Oke, Jojo yang kedua. Yang pertama siapa? Natasha?
Aku keempat.
Kok buka keempat? Itu namanya les, Natasha. Natasha ini bahasa Inggrisnya sudah mulai bagus, tapi PD-nya kurang. Ayo, lebih pede lagi. Ya. Nathanael, mesti banyak latihan lagi. Ya, harus lebih pede kalian. Oke. Who's the first? Who's the first? Come on, guys. Who's the first? Who's the
Miss,
first? Who's
berapa
the
pertanyaan,
first?
Miss?
Minimal 5.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, kamu siapkan pertanyaannya untuk teman kamu. Boleh nanya siapa saja, ya. Miftah dulu deh, Miftah dulu. You first, Miftah.
Ya. Miss, kalau 5 pertanyaan, tapi pertanyaannya itu sama kepada semua orang. Kayak semuanya itu sama rata. Pertanyaannya tuh nggak beda-beda. Boleh.
Maksudnya?
Kayak-
Jadinya satu pertanyaan dong.
Misalkan ke Jojo pertanyaannya 5 ini. Dan ke Natasha sama.
Silakan.
Oh,
Maksudnya
kira
aku mau nanya sama Jojo 5 sekaligus, terus sama
Ya.
Natasha juga. Tapi
Ya.
pertanyaan sama.
Ya.
Oke, boleh kayak gitu. Intinya di sini Miss Nanda mau dorong kalian buat ngomong. Dan kedepannya kelas kita akan seperti ini. Miss Nanda akan lebih sering ajak kalian ngomong, ya. Oh ya, satu lagi sebelum Miftah mulai, Miss Nanda mau bilang, mungkin nanti kedepannya itu kan si Fadil, Miss Nanda ini bentrok karena Miss Novita lagi cuti, ibunya sakit. Jadi jam 10 hari Senin biasanya tuh ada kelasnya si Fadil, bahasa Inggris. Miss Nanda kayaknya karena materinya hampir sama, Miss Nanda mau masukin di sini aja. Karena Miss Nandanya nggak ada waktu.
Oke.
Bisa ya? Ini kalian kan 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 sama ini.
Iya, kalian kan 5. Jadi si Fadil kayaknya Miss Nanda masukin di sini aja. Karena kan dia juga bahasa Inggrisnya sama kayak kalian. Ya? Nggak apa-apa ya? Karena Miss Nanda udah nggak ada waktu. Miss Novitanya cuti, mamanya masih sakit.
Oh iya.
Doain supaya cepat sembuh.
Amin.
Oke, come on, let's start. Miftah, first.
Jojo ya, Jojo.
Yes.
What time do you shower? What time do you shower? Kapan kamu mandi? Jam berapa?
Jam 10 atau enggak jam 11.
In English, Jo. You answer in English.
10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Okay, what's next? I'm scared.
Jojo, what time did you wake up? What
Uh,
time did you wake up?
7 or 6?
Oh, yeah.
7 o'clock or 6 o'clock?
I think you must say 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, not 7 first and then 6. Yeah, Jo?
I meant to say 6 o'clock or
Yeah,
7 o'clock.
yeah, good job. Next.
Are you always studying?
What? I always study. What do you mean?
Are you always studying? Apakah kamu selalu belajar?
Oh. Aku
I always play game online game. Yeah, Jo? Huh?
being exposed. Yeah,
Sorry,
sometimes.
Jo.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Untuk Natasha. Often you watch television.
What?
Often you watch television.
You watch television. Apa kamu sering nonton TV?
No.
Okay. Do you always have breakfast?
Yes.
What time?
7.
Okay. Sudah. Thank you.
Enough?
Sudah.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mifta. Okay, good job,
Yeah.
Mifta. Good. Next, who's the next? Natasha.
No.
Aku ya.
Ya, Natasha yang keempat katanya. Oke deh. Jojo. Ya, Jojo.
Nathanael. Kenapa?
Nathanael. Jojo call you.
Jojo call you.
Ya.
What o'clock you usually wake up?
Slowly, Jo, please.
What o'clock you usually wake up?
Ya. What do you usually wake up?
6.
Apakah kamu selalu bangun apa tadi?
Oh, belum.
Jam berapa kamu?
What time? What time?
Yes.
What time do you usually wake up? Jam berapa kamu biasanya bangun?
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
What?
Hai.
Okay, then the next question is what game you play a lot? Like what game you game? What the most game you play?
Apa itu?
What?
Artinya apa?
Jojo tanya games apa?
Yang
Jojo,
kamu paling banyak main? Yang kamu paling banyak main? Game apa yang kamu paling banyak main?
please repeat in English but slowly, Jo. After that, you translate in Indonesia.
What game you play a lot? Game apa yang kamu lebih banyak main?
Ya.
Natasha,
Oh,
no
ya.
game. Natasha, Nathan. Natasha lagi.
Oh. Free Fire.
Oh, I asked what game? What games?
Oh,
Game apa yang kamu banyak mainin, kata Jojo?
aduh, game apa ya? Nggak ada game.
Nothing. Berarti kamu tinggal jawab nothing gitu.
Nothing.
Tapi ada yang saya main.
Game apa tuh?
Free Fire. Game perang.
Game perang. War game.
Ya.
War game.
Yes.
What's your favorite lesson? Apa pelajaran favorit kamu? Pelajaran favorit kamu?
Religi. Religi.
Religi.
Agama.
Itu apa ya? Itu kayak science.
Apa? What? Jo?
Aku nggak tahu dengannya
No. He say religi.
religion. What is religion?
Like about God. Like about God, you learn about God, you learn yeah, like that.
Ya.
What is your favorite hobby?
Apa itu?
Hobi kamu apa? Hobi favorit kamu?
Playing gitar.
Play gitar.
Okay. What do you do when you are bored? Apa yang kamu lakukan waktu kamu bosan?
Playing game.
Play games.
Yes.
Okay.
Main game. Okay. What is your favorite car? Favorit mobil kamu apa? Masih ada satu question lagi nanti aku mau tanya. What is your favorite car?
What is your favorite car?
Kalau nggak tahu namanya, bilang aja kayak sport car, bla car.
Ya.
Nah,
Kamu
nothing.
suka
Nothing.
mobil sport atau apa?
Dream car, okay.
Nothing.
Nothing car. Okay, good. Good job, Nathan. Thank you, Jojo. Jojo, do you want to ask the others? Do you want to ask the
Wait,
others?
this is my last question I'm going to ask you. What is your favorite sport? Kayak hobi, kayak
Nathanael, sport olahraga. Sport is olahraga.
Oh.
What is your favorite sport?
Play. Football.
Football.
okay. Maybe I don't know.
Enough, Jo?
Iya, enough.
Ada lagi? Gak apa-apa. Karena kan minimal 5. Lebih dari 5 boleh.
Udah,
Mau
itu
tanya yang lain?
Iya, aku mau tanya
Ya, oke. Who?
Mifta.
Bisa balas dendam dia.
Balas dendam kau.
Bisa.
Itu
Tanya Ima habis ini.
pertanyaannya sama kayak Nathanael.
Oh ya.
What time you usually wake up?
I'm wake up 5 or 6 a.m.
Same. Okay. What game you play a lot?
I not playing game.
Ooh. What is your favorite lesson? What is your
Pelajaran apa yang kamu sukai?
I'm geography and mathematics.
Yes. What is your favorite hobby? Sorry about that. What is
Hobby
your favorite hobby?
editing.
Ooh, editing. Ooh.
Sedikit.
Little, but that's good. You are creative, ya.
What do you
Like
do when
Ima.
you are bored?
Apa?
What do you do when you are bored? Apa yang kamu
Apa yang
lakukan?
kamu lakukan kalau kamu bosan? Bosan.
Editing videos, playing handphones,
Yes. Okay. What else? Is that all?
watch TV.
Oh, okay. What is your favorite color?
I'm nothing. Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Nani. Oh. What is your favorite sport?
Oh,
Your favorite sport?
basketball.
Ooh.
Basket.
Okay. That's all my question.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Next, Ima.
Okay.
After Ima, Natasha, the last Nathanael. Come on, Ima.
Miftah.
Wah, banyak nanya Miftah nih hari ini.
What is your motivation in life?
Apa?
Ulang, sorry.
Your motivation in life.
Motivation in life. Motivasi. Bahasa Indonesia aja dah.
Coba apa bahasa Indonesia? Kamu bilang apa?
Tidak tahu seberapa buruknya kehidupan kamu pada masa lalu, tetapi masih ada masa depan tetapi ada masa depan yang menjadi pembuktian kalian saat ini.
Oh, nice. Ya, I think like a motto ya. I think like a motto. Good.
Nice.
Motivasi.
Next.
Natasha, do you ever come late to school? Apakah kamu pernah datang terlambat ke sekolah?
No.
No.
Pernah. Tapi jarang.
Terus, Jojo, what time do you sleep at night?
You can tell why my eye is black. 12 a.m. 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Because I cannot sleep. Look at my eye, don't look at my
Yes. Your mom said to me, you always sleep late, right? Oh, yes. Mom say yes.
Yes, you can tell my eye. It's black like a panda. I'm a panda boy.
Next, Iman.
Nathan, do you have allergies? Apa kamu memiliki alergi?
I don't know.
Kayaknya aku punya kayaknya. Kayaknya aku punya.
Apa,
deh.
Jo?
Setiap malam aku ngerasa gatel. Kayaknya aku punya alergi. Soalnya setiap malam itu pas kan dingin kan kamar aku batuk. Ada alergi gitu kayaknya.
Next.
That's all.
Do you like watching cartoons?
Watching. Do you like watching cartoon? Who? Nathanael or Jojo or Natasha?
Kalau mau jawab semuanya boleh, Komis.
Sebut namanya siapa?
Miftah.
So, ulang.
What? Bukan. Do you like watching cartoons?
Yes, I like.
Where is Nathan?
Udah 5 menit.
Oh ya, oke. Natasha, Nathan mana?
Nathan left.
Ya, Miss.
Nathan.
Iya, left. Jaringannya kali ya.
Kenapa? Rusak.
Oh, Gabung aja situ sama Natasha, Nathan.
Lagi diperbaiki.
Oh, oke. Come on, Natasha. Mau tanya siapa? Silakan.
Kak Miftah.
Kita hari ini benar-benar dibanjirin pertanyaan ya.
Are you help your mom in the morning?
Yeah, I'll help mom in the morning.
Do you play game online?
I'm not playing game online.
She study.
Kak Ima. What time you sleep of night?
What time you sleep at night? 1 a.m. Oh, Ima.
Aku ya.
Kagak connect.
Ulang. Bengong deh.
Oke, repeat. Please repeat, Natasha. Ima.
Hanya lagi bengong.
Yes. Natasha, ulang Natasha.
Bisa ulang pertanyaannya enggak? Apa? Suaranya kecil.
What time you sleep of night?
What time?
Tergantung.
Enggak menentu. Kayak gimana Miss jawabnya enggak menentu itu?
Tergantung apa?
Sometimes I sleep at 1 a.m. Or kamu bisa bilang sometimes I sleep late. Bisa juga. Coba.
Sometimes I will sleep.
Not with sleep. I sleep. I sleep late. Late itu tidurnya lambat gitu loh.
Oh.
Ya,
Nanti aku boleh tanya pertanyaan nggak ke seseorang?
boleh. Silakan. Ntar dulu, dijawab dulu ini. Ayo.
Nanti aja. Tunggu semuanya udah jawab, nanti aku terakhir.
Dah.
Ya, coba Ima.
Ya apa ya? Astagfirullah.
Ima lagi no concentrate. Ima lagi bengong. Lagi mikir apa? What do you think?
Gak tahu, Miss.
Ya, jadi Natasha nanya, Ima tidurnya jam berapa biasanya? Ima tidurnya biasanya jam berapa?
Sometime. Gak tahu, Miss, jam berapa?
Oke, bilang aja, kadang tidur lambat.
Sometime.
Bisa juga kalau sering berarti often. Often I sleep late. Seringkali saya tidurnya lambat. Often I sleep late.
Oh, nice.
Yes, I know you. Gitu ya. Next, Natasha. Nanya Ima lagi tuh, connect dia. Sama Jojo juga boleh ya, Natasha?
Jojo, when you brush your teeth?
At night.
Brush your teeth.
At night and sometimes morning and at night. I always brush my teeth at night. In the morning sometimes.
Good.
Pranaya back. He is back.
Next, Natasha.
Nathan?
Ya.
When you play game online?
Yes.
When kapan? When?
Oh,
Kamu mau bilang apa?
biasanya jam 3 sore. Jam 7 sore.
Malam.
Jam
Oke.
7 malam. 7 malam.
Around at 7 p.m. Usually around at 7 p.m.
Usually around at 7 p.m.
Ya, good job. Next, Natasha.
Babies.
Next, Natasha. Oh, enough? Enough, Natasha? Jojo, mau nanya siapa tadi kamu bilang?
Aku nggak bisa terima kok.
Nathan lagi, Nathan yang belum. Nathan, come on.
Bentar, Miss. Terulang, Miss.
Hah? Kenapa?
Terulang, Miss, katanya.
Kenapa, Nathan?
Bentar,
Ya,
Miss.
terakhir,
Bentar.
Nathan terakhir. Halo, Miss Nana nggak bisa dengar suara Nathan.
Mute.
Kenapa, Nathan?
Bentar, Miss. Lagi buat soal.
Oh, lagi buat soal. Oke. Oke, sambil nunggu Nathan buat kasih pertanyaan. Tadi Miss Nanda kasih tugas ya untuk kalian ya buat tugas hari Senin kita libur.
Ya.
Senin kita libur karena hari merdeka. Ya. Hari merdeka. Sebenarnya ini kita diskusi dulu ya. Sebenarnya Miss Nanda itu pengen buat acara. Online. Tapi berhubung budgetnya kurang, jadi kemungkinan acaranya akhir tahun Miss Nanda adakan. Jadi semua siswa-siswi VNGC semuanya gabung di Zoom. Nanti kita bikin kayak game online gitu.
Ya.
Tapi kita online-nya langsung di Zoom.
Oh.
Iya, kan semua siswa-siswi VNGC itu
Main
yang
Roblox,
ya,
saya bertanya nggak sih main Roblox? Main Roblox? Nggak
ada
ada.
30 yang online. Hampir lah.
Akhirnya lari.
Ya, sekitar 25 orang yang aktif belajar sekarang. Jadi hari Senin kita libur dulu. Ya.
Oke.
Nah, terus hari Rabu nanti kita bakalan bicarakan ini, kita bicara tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. Nah, hari Rabu kita akan bicara tentang dreams. Impian. Ya, impian. Nanti Miss Nanda akan kasih contohnya. Miss Nanda coba, ini Miss Nanda ada tulis impiannya Miss Nanda waktu tahun Januari 2020 lalu, contohnya. Nih, tulisan Miss Nanda, ini diarinya Miss Nanda. Diarinya Miss Nanda itu, Miss Nanda jarang tulis pakai bahasa Indonesia. Karena kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia, dulu waktu Miss Nanda sekolah, pernah dibaca teman. Jadi sometimes diari Miss Nanda tulisnya pakai bahasa Mandarin atau bahasa Inggris. Nih, kan? Miss Nanda tulis pakai, kalau gini kan bikin artinya juga. Mandarin dan Inggris. Nah, jadi hari Rabu tugas kalian buat sebuah cerita tentang apa yang kalian impikan. Mau kalian dari kecil mimpikan apa gitu ya. Nathan sambil disiapin pertanyaannya. Miss Nanda kasih contoh nih. Miss Nanda bacain cerita Miss Nanda. This is my story. I am Nanda. I am a teacher and owner of the VN Glory course. When January 2020 ago, I had a wish. One day, I want to build a foundation of education to help poor children and children from remote place. At that time, I was working on a fairly large course in Jakarta. Yeah, do you know what the name, Joe? Drona course. I've been working there for about a year. and I stayed there. And I started buying a small house in Bogor. My plans next year, 2021, I want to open a course with my own brand. However, at the end of March 2020, disaster that hit the whole world occurred. The coronavirus, a deadly virus that attacks all humans on Earth, originates in Wuhan, China. Nah, ini ada lanjutannya, Miss Nanda belum lanjutin. Jadi ini Miss Nanda ceritain bahwa Miss Nanda waktu Januari lalu, Miss Nanda itu punya impian, pengen banget buat membangun sebuah yayasan pendidikan. Kemudian untuk apa? Untuk orang-orang dari remote place. Remote place itu artinya adalah tempat terpencil. Nah, remote place, dapat kosakata baru kan? Remote place. Tujuan Miss Nanda minta kalian buat seperti ini, kalau kalian dapat kosakata baru, kalian bisa catat. Dan ingat, jadi kosakata kalian makin banyak. Oke? Mulai pikirkan apa impian kalian. Ya? Selama Miss Nanda gantiin Miss Novita, Miss Nanda akan jarang sekali untuk bahas grammar. Miss Nanda akan lebih banyak melatih kalian bicara.
Oke.
Tugas pertama, tuliskan tentang apa impian kalian. Gunakan rumus grammar yang pernah kita pelajari. Kalau kalian bicarakan tentang sesuatu yang sudah lewat, pakai apa? Kalau kalian bicarakan yang direncanakan yang lalu, tapi masih bisa terjadi sekarang, pakainya will atau should. Boleh. Gitu kan? Pokoknya, kalaupun grammar kalian nanti berantakan, Miss Nanda bantu betulin. Ya. Cerita yang hari ini yang sudah kalian tulis, tolong dikirim ke WA Miss Nanda. Miss Nanda mau cek grammarnya. Oke? Ya, nanti aja kirimnya, nanti aja. Itu doang kok, kalian cuma siapin cerita doang. Oke, Nathan. Bentar, Jojo, bentar. Ayo, Nathan.
Oke.
Tanya seseorang di sini, ayo.
Tanya Jojo, Miss.
Astaga.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song. Ooh.
Yeah.
I have a lot. Someone you love, I think.
Jojo doesn't have a favorite song.
I have a lot favorite song.
Oh, a lot. I think you doesn't have.
I will pick the someone you love.
Okay.
What is
Next,
the next?
What is your favorite movie?
This is so hard. This is a hard question. My favorite movie. Probably like I don't know. Pacific Rim. And Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yep, that's all. What is the next question?
Do you take a nap?
I sleep late. Yes, I sleep late.
Okay.
I'm a panda boy.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher. My favorite teacher. Ada di sini loh favorite teacher.
Masih Miss Nanda nanti marah nih. Enggak lah.
Ada di sini teachernya nih.
You scared ya? Kamu takut ya?
Teachernya ada di sini nih. Di Zoom ini nih teachernya.
Jadi dia nggak boleh bilang.
Teachernya ada di sini nih. Miss Nanda.
Kalau di sekolah?
Kalau di sekolah, palingan guru olahraga aku.
In English, come on. Hey, Nathaniel.
My
Oh,
No.
My favorite teacher is my math teacher and my sport teacher. Sport teacher.
Miss Mita katanya nggak bisa masuk lagi.
Dan dia kayaknya nggak apa-apa. Kita udah mau selesai kok. Selesai Nathan ini.
What is the next question, Nathan?
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is singing and play phone and riding a bike. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Is that all?
Yes. Dah.
Okay.
Mau coba untuk nanya yang lain, nanya Natasha?
Yes, aku mau.
Guys.
Yuk, bentar Jo. Nathan, tanya siapa? Nggak ada? Oke, Jojo, kamu mau nanya siapa?
Miss Nanda.
Okay, come on. Before we close the podcast.
What time you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6 a.m.
Okay.
But sometimes I wake up 7 a.m. cause I think I just want to lying on the bed. Next.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is teaching.
What teaching?
Yes, teaching.
Yes. What is your favorite car? If you don't know what car, you can just like say fast car, sport car.
Fast car like in Fast Furious.
What?
Fast car like in movie Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious. Okay.
Natasha.
I think that's all.
Okay, again, come on.
Huh?
Ada lagi?
What game you play a lot? Hago. Okay, I know that. Okay, that's lanjut.
I don't know about games ya. Natasha, Ima, Nathanael, Miftah yang nggak ada ya. Okay, I want to ask Ima. Halo Ima.
Ya, Miss.
What is your favorite color?
Color is white.
White. What is your reason when you choose white? When you choose white, what is your reason? Apa kamu memilih warna putih jadi favorit kamu?
Bahasa Indonesia boleh nggak, Miss?
Mix dengan English, coba mix. My reason is.
Aduh, nggak bisa rangkai bahasa Inggrisnya loh, Miss.
Coba. Semua dapat satu pertanyaan ya dari Miss Nanda. Ya. Apa? What is your reason? Halo, Ima. Halo, Ima.
Because white signifies pretty.
Okay, pretty ya. Okay, good. Natasha. Natasha, can I know what is your favorite food and what is your favorite drink?
My favorite food is nasi goreng.
French
And-
rice. French rice. French rice tulisannya ya. Next.
And my favorite drink. Juice.
What juice?
Alpukat.
Oh, alpukat. Avocado. Avocado. Okay, thank you, Natasha. Jadi hari ini kita belajar kepo-kepoan ya. Nathanael. I want to ask you, Nathanael.
Guys.
Yeah, French rice. French rice. French fries. Iya, fries. Sorry, Miss Nanda salah tulis. Benar yang ditulis Jojo ya, fries. Kok French? Miss Nanda salah tulis. Kalau French fries itu kentang goreng. Ya,
Itu menu baru jadi French. Di
iya,
kotak French.
makanya Miss Nanda salah tulis. Sorry ya. Betul, Jo. Nggak apa-apa tuh. Nah, if I have mistake, you can to correct me. Ya. Siapapun boleh. Kalau Miss Nanda punya kesalahan, kalian boleh koreksi langsung. Ya, namanya kita semua sama-sama belajar di sini, walaupun Miss Nanda guru. Nathanael, I want to ask you, Nathanael.
Yes.
Do you have girlfriend?
Apa itu?
Enggak, canda kok. Tadi tuh Miss Nanda tanya, kamu punya pacar ya?
Enggak pernah lah, Miss. Nggak ada.
Oh, nothing.
Nggak ada. Nanti.
Natasha? Nathanael jujur atau bohong?
Nggak tahu, Miss.
Jujur tuh, jujur. Ya jujur tuh ya.
Jujur ya? Enggak, bukan itu pertanyaan Miss Nanda. Itu cuman bercanda kok. Nathanael, I want to ask you, what is your favorite, wait. Okay, what is your favorite color maybe? Color and drink and food. 3 questions.
Color tuh, Miss.
Warna. What is your favorite color? Your favorite drink? Your favorite food?
Okay.
3 questions
Okay.
for you.
My favorite color is blue.
Two. Then your favorite food?
Favorite food is chicken
Chicken.
and fish.
Then?
Fish.
Okay. Then your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
Tea. All right. Thank you so much. Jojo, what is your favorite lessons?
My favorite lesson is probably
Probably.
math. Math is my favorite, and sports, olahraga, sports, and English.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for you all. Thank you so much. So.
Mau nanya sama Miss.
You want to kepo-kepo sama Miss Nanda?